To install the 7-day free trial of the fully functional Excel date picker and calendar add-in for the Windows desktop version of Microsoft Excel, follow these simple steps. Go to XLNavigator.com. Once you're on the website, click the Download Now button to start the process. We need to make sure you're human, not a bot. You can either log in with your Google account or use the Magic Link option. To use the Magic Link, simply provide your email address and we'll send you a link to access the download. No password needed. After entering your email address, look for the Magic Link email. If you don't see it in your inbox right away, be sure to check your spam folder. Once you find the email, click the Sign In button inside it. This will quickly take you to the download page. On the download page, click Download Now. The installer will be saved to your Downloads folder by default, but you can choose a different location if preferred. Click Save to begin the download. After the file finishes downloading, click on it to start the installation. Follow the setup prompts, agree to the end-user license agreement, and click Next. You can accept the default installation location or choose a different one, then click Next. Once the installation is finished, close the setup window. You're all set. Open Excel and your XLNavigator date picker and calendar add-in will be ready to use.